Now, if you want to reset your Govee product here, well, there are multiple ways to do it. So it depends on what type of product you have, but generally speaking here, they usually follow the same thing. So the most easiest way to reset your Govee product is by power cycling it. So what you need to do is you just need to unplug your Govee product here and basically wait for a while. So maybe like a few seconds, like 30 seconds, or even a few minutes if you can. So basically waiting out or draining the power from your device. Now, once you've drained power from it, you can go ahead and just replug it again and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you could do here, like this is, you can only do this on devices that does not have any buttons, so this is the way for you to reset them. But if your device or your Govee product here has buttons that you can press, well, you may need to basically use them. So, for example, for the Govee TV backlight here, so usually it would have like three buttons that you can press here. So you have the power button at the very top. Now, again, this only applies for Govee products that has like power buttons or buttons that you could use. So you want to press and hold the power button here while the product is turned on, and you want to go and just hold that for a few seconds. Now, the product itself would just start, and that would basically reset your device. Now, again, you need to press and hold this for a few seconds in order for this to work. But once you've pressed and hold on this, that should reset your device, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.